Hey everybody, I wanted to pop on and say hello. My name is Sarah Torpy and I am the instructor in this course this semester. This is Math 102 for Summer 1 in the summer of 2020. This is going to be a special, fast version of this course. So there are some things you ought to know up front. The first is a little about me. I've been teaching this course here at Bucks for a couple of years now, largely online, although in person as well. And this is not my first run at summer session. My background is was in a classroom for a bunch of years. Then I coached teachers at the middle school level and then at the elementary school level, all in math. And then I taught college kids like you in New Jersey. And then when we moved out here, college kids at Bucks. Largely at Bucks, I teach algebra, like the Math 103s and the 095s. And then these courses, Math 102 and 105, which is really what I'm best at. In the summer semester, this course is different. Okay, this course is different to begin with. So Math 102 is about teaching math to kids, but it is, before all other things, a math course. There is going to be math in this semester, in this session, that is new to you. It is going to be stuff you're going to bang your head against. And I'm going to take this moment to give you the fair warning that the stuff that is hardest in this course actually is right up front. So the first two chapters in particular, and maybe the first half of the third, are the most challenging parts. I promise that you will work through it and everything will be okay. I know that there will be a part somewhere in the second week where you think I am lying, but I promise that's not the case and we will get through it. The second half goes better. This session is 6 weeks, which means it is packed. So be aware that the expectation is high and the workload is heavy. It just is, because we're doing 15 weeks of stuff in 6. Make sure that you set aside the time to watch the recorded notes, that you set aside the time to really do the work, and that when you have questions, you reach out and ask. Do not let it go too far. Because of the speed of the semester, it's not going to take long for you to fall behind if you allow yourself to. We use MyMathLab in this course. And the first thing you're going to do in the Start Here module as you start working through is get MyMathLab set up and running. You have assignments waiting for you right now. You have the option of starting it with a 2-week free trial if you don't have your access code yet, and you should take advantage of that. There is no reason that you wouldn't be in it today. The expectation is that you are in MyMathLab and up and moving ASAP, like end of today or tomorrow. If you run into trouble, and sometimes that happens, please reach out and ask. I'm happy to help. The other thing that you should know about in this semester is that normally all tests are proctored in this course, and that is still going to be the case this semester. It's required that we give tests with supervision so that you can't cheat or use outside resources, that kind of stuff. Because of the situation out in the world right now, and because we're all staying home still, you will be taking your proctored tests with me via Zoom. So there's more information about that in the module, and there will be more information to come. Please fill out the form that you're going to be asked to fill out when it comes up and tell me about your availability so that we can make arrangements to set up tests at times that will work for everyone. There will be 3 instances that we have to make that work in. The other one thing that's important to know is there are no calculators in this course. So get ready to flex your mental math skills. You'll be okay, I promise. No one has died from it yet. That being said, I'm really glad you're here. I'm happy to work through this with you. Please, 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 if you get stuck, if you get concerned, if you're not sure what to do, reach out and ask. That is why I'm here. I would much rather hear from you and be able to answer your question than for you to suffer in silence and just think you don't know what to do. That's part of why my face is here now, so that you know I'm a human and I'm here to talk to you. Send a message, send an email. I'm not perfect, but I try to respond the same day as much as I can. I do sleep at night, so I'm not going to answer emails at 11 p.m. But I'm up early, so I might answer them at 6:30. That being said, let's get started. you can jump right into the rest of the Start Here module, and it's off to the races.